2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 wrapped up here with a sound system. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we did to it in case you want to put a nice sound system that sounds good with bass and voice. You know exactly what to buy. All right, check it out. So our customer wanted something that would hit hard with the bass, something that would fit under his seat comfortably, take up no extra room. So we custom fit this box, subwoofer box with two 12s. The subwoofers are facing down to allow for a better sound in the bass. These are two 12 kicker L7s, one of the best subwoofers that you can buy for your truck. Square body, these hit really hard. For the door speakers, you can't really see them, but these are the DS18 Pros. A very quality speaker, especially for a loud voice. Our customer wanted to retain the factory stereo, so we hooked him up with the LC7i to be able to run his factory stereo with the brand new sound system. For the epicenter, we did this bass knob, so it's gonna allow for a louder bass and adjust it to whatever bass you'd like. This is essential if you're upgrading your sound system. And this is how it sounds.
Get my money, yeah. Getting this rich, yeah. Cut out the crank, got more in some ways. I got black ones and visas, I'm getting paid.
So there you guys have it. If you guys are looking for a sound system for your truck, your 1500, your 2500, whether it just be adding bass or do a complete sound system with voice, just like this Chevy, visit us here at Cosmos Truck Accessories in Phoenix, AZ. Quality products, quality service, expert installation.